Yo guys, what's going on? We're back with another modified car feature. So this is well overdue. I haven't done a modified car feature in New Zealand yet. I've just been trying to find cars to feature, but we're back with a good one today. So this is a Mk5 Gti Pirelli edition. It's stage 2 plus, running just shy of 400 brake and well over 500 newton meters of torque. We're going to be going out for a drive in it, but first we're going to talk to the owner about the mods he's done, and then we'll see how it moves. Alright guys, so this is the owner, Liam. How long have you had the car for, man?
I've had this car for just over a year.
A year? Yeah. Man, you've done a lot of mods to it since then. So, did you buy it already modified, or have you done most of the work?
It came fully stock, apart from a Miltech catback. But every other mod I've done.
Alright, cool. So, stage 2 plus, so that's what? We've got intake?
Yeah, intake, downpipe, high pressure fuel pump, full turbo back. It's got everything there.
Yeah, all the bolt-ons. Apart from intercooler, yeah? Still not intercooler stuff. Yeah. And who tuned it?
So, it's tuned by Graham at Lambda Performance.
Okay. Cool.
So best tuner around.
And it hasn't been on the dyno, but with the mods that it's got, it should be just shy of 400.
Yeah, it should be pretty up there.
So, because this is a KO4, so it's BYD, isn't it? Yeah, BYD in these with KO4. Still front wheel drive with DSG, so a bit Larry. But that makes it all the more fun.
Yeah.
So, and we've got some aesthetic stuff around the back here as well. This is, what diffuser is this then?
So this is an Ingo Noark diffuser. It's like one of one in New Zealand. I imported it in. Never ever seen another car before.
Oh yeah?
It's pretty rare.
Yeah, because the Maxim ones are a bit too big, aren't they? This one's a bit subtle.
No one makes diffusers for like the ED30/Pirellis. So pretty rare.
But yeah, this is super cool, man. I'm looking forward to it. So we'll go out for a drive and see what it moves like.
See what it does, mate.
Spun a bit there, but we were changing lanes as well.
Some brake boosting.
Fucking hell. I've never brake boosted, you know.
Really?
Yeah, never brake boosted.
It's like the whole thing with these.
I don't know. Like, I've just never brake boosted. Well, I raced one person when I had mine. Some Subaru, and I lost.
You lost this one?
Yeah. Some people think that pops and bangs stuff is like shit and immature, and I think it is as well if it's too much, but that's like the perfect amount.
Yeah, it's,
I miss pop and bangs, I quite like it. I had pop and bangs on my Golf.
It's like a decent amount of pop and bangs.
Yeah.
But it's like not too much. So you're like, oh yeah, there's a little bit of pops and bangs, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's not like bang 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 bang.
I had pop and bangs on my Golf in the UK. I had hard cut limiter. So if you go all the way, I can't remember, I think it was like at 6k or whatever, but you go all the way and hit it, it starts shooting flames and shit. It's like, my Golf in the UK was tuned by Artec.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
That's gang. See, I text Artec and said, yo,
can you remote tune?
Yeah. And they were like, oh, sorry, we don't do remote tunes because they want to keep like prestige or whatever.
I guess they want to keep it in the country as well.
Yeah. So.
Too much power for one of these roads, isn't it? You can only touch the throttle on the straights. draggy quarter mile. What are the odds? Holy shit. What the fuck? What are the odds?
Holy fuck.
Oh my god. Well, that fucking worked. What are the odds?
Oh fuck, is he turning around? Nah, okay.
Nah, he's...
Oh.
Alright, draggy quarter mile attempt.